Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Is my screen visible? Okay, so we'll wait for some time, maybe 5 minutes, let everybody joins, then we'll start session for the day. Hope everyone has made all the notes which need to be questions which need to be asked. Maybe we'll start in another 3-4 minutes. Let everybody joins. It was a too short. It was a postponed class, so people might take some time to join. I was just recording a short video on today's performance on index. Okay. Since new indicator working fine, yes, new indicator is working fine. It's absolutely good. Today also I was able to catch a decent amount of profits on both the sides. In fact, this gave a buy signal over here. And let me erase this drawing. Let me pick up the pen from Epic Pen. Okay, so it did give a entry at here. It did give one reversal sell signal here. I've got a call option here. I booked somewhere here only. I booked it. This signal I did not take any entry. This sell entry I took a put option and I was able to write this entire profits. And here somewhere here only I booked when I saw the consolidation, but it went further down. This long generated. I avoided long entry. Today I've just took this one and this one, two entries. It is easily giving between 5 to 10,000 rupees with investment of 10 to 15,000 rupees. It is pretty good going so far. In fact, we have 2, 3 indicators. We have designed it and we are working on both of them parallelly. So out of two, one I'm testing, one Sentinel is testing. We should be able to get one out of them in a complete in a good stage in a few months of time, maybe from now. Okay, so this session is about clarification on Fibonacci. So whatever doubts you may have in terms of Fibonacci can be asked now. I would be able to answer all those things, but I think some of questions I have some of the Q&A. I mean Q&A is available. I'll be pasting it in a few minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, we can start asking all those things. A couple of Q&A questions right now in few minutes. I'm just waiting for everyone to join. It's going to be a very short session of an hour or 45 minutes. It doesn't go too much, usually because most of the questions, doubts will already be addressed in the session recordings which I've shared, right? So how it is different from pivot? Nothing to compare with pivot and Fibonacci. How to set high and low, I've explained in the video. Hope it is very clear. After watching it, if you have a doubt, you can please ask me, and if you help whatever doubts you have, you can ask me. Can be trade be taken based on FIBO levels? Of course, we are using FIBO levels for retracement, entries, and exits. It should give you a decent amount of returns whenever you try to make an entry with the help of FIBO. Okay, next question. I have a couple of Q&A. Let me share Q&A with you guys so that you guys are aware of what need to be done. I'm just uploading the video. Just give me a minute. Today also this beautiful entry came on Nifty, and also I've got entries in almost even Bata India. I got entries from around 4-5 thousand rupees. Along with I also got entry in one more counter. I think not Balram Chini. I got it in got one more stock also today in intraday. 1 minute. Yeah, Bata India I've got, and Reversal Excite India I got. Escorts I got, Reversal India. Excite India I've got this reversal, I made profits. Again, one more sell came, right? And Infosys, I had a long here, which I booked it. Again, I was on a short. I booked it and I'm holding one lot of long, I think. And Hind Copper also, yes, I made Hind Copper also a small profits I made here. Some 1,500 rupees I made there as well. So it was a pretty good day in terms of intraday is concerned, right? It was a pretty good day in terms of intraday is concerned. And let's see how does it goes. Okay, questions on FIBO, please. What are questions you have? Please ask what are questions you may have on FIBO. Let's not divert the topic. Okay, so let me share the Q&A whatever I have for the previous batch. I'll be putting in communication channel. Let me copy it from my mobile. Give me a minute, guys. That should clarify most of the questions. And because FIBO is very simple, all you need is you need to just practice and practice and practice and practice. The more you practice, you become perfect. Okay, just copy from my phone. One Q&A has been published, and a second Q&A has been published. Okay, perfect. Okay, so is the studies shared in the masters on options are based on our criteria? No, it is a mix of many things, not especially ours. If pivot plus pivot same level, then what would be strong support distance? I clearly explained, sir. Do not compare one tool with another tool. I've explained in the video very clearly. FIBO is an independent tool. Do not compare with any other tool. Am I clear? Don't overthink in stock market. Keep it simple. When we say do not compare at any point of time between one tool and the other tool. FIBO is an independent tool. Whatever you are doing, you do as per the rules and regulations of FIBO. Don't try to confuse with FIBO with other indicator or other tool. Next questions. See that is why the basic videos of how to draw FIBO, what is importance of FIBO, what are the rules and regulations of FIBO, how FIBO have to be drawn, what is the high point, what is the low point, what is the trend, and what stocks need to be selected for FIBO, how to draw FIBO, what is the important zones. Everything has been explained in the video. Now, after explaining that, whatever doubts you may have, which is not explained in the video, this special webinar is only for that, to clarify your doubts on FIBO. So you can ask whatever doubts you may have in terms of FIBO. Even though if you don't have doubts, or if you have doubts later also, you can always add in the group and tag us. I would be able to answer them very easily. Okay, clear. Next question. I'll be asking only questions and questions and questions and questions. You guys have to ask if you have any questions, or if not, we can definitely close the session as earliest as possible, and you can spend time with your family and friends on this wonderful evening. Okay, after 100% find the levels. After 100%, I've already explained it is Fibonacci extension level. It is explained in the video. Please watch the video. Without watching video, if you ask questions, my answer would be same. Please watch the video. Reversal are only at 33 or 60. There's nothing called as 33 or 60, sir. These numbers are wrong. Completely numbers are wrong. You have to watch the video, sir. Guys, FIBO is so important tool. We have given 4, 5, 6 days of time. Suppose take class on last Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We have still 5 days of time. You still, if you not watch the video of FIBO, it is very bad. Then you have to watch it. I've explained what are the important zones, important levels of FIBO. Haven't I watched it, guys? Yes, I've explained. It is the most important one is 61.8 and 38.2. These two are the important zones of FIBO, which you need to keep it in mind while investing in, while taking a decision based on FIBO. Next question. Okay. Yes, most of things are explained in this video. You can use time frame for 15 minutes also. Everything remains same. Only thing is change the time frame to 15 minutes. All other terms and conditions will remain same as similar to daily time frame. Now, I'm not using the FIBO for my 1 crore challenge, because FIBO mostly gives you a reversal, and it is majorly used for a FNO. I'm using it, but yes, it is also good for a positional. But positional, I'm not working on pullback trading. Positional, I'm working only on trade from bottom. So trade from bottom is what I'm following it. So for trade from bottom, I may not be using FIBO. Next question. Guys, if there is any no questions, what do you guys want me to speak? I want you guys to ask questions in terms of FIBO. I clearly told guys, watch the video, watch the video, watch the video. It is beautiful. You just need to master it, one art of FIBO, so that once you get a right market, you can make a decent amount of returns in terms of reversal trading. Is especially used FIBO only in FNO. Simple. Say what you guys do is just go to any chart. If you find any reversal sign, right? If you find any reversal sign and make a note of it at that time, in that FIBO gives you a reversal, then convert that into options, make an entry. Now PVR, we have drawn a FIBO and we are waiting for a big round of reversal, right? So here, now we can ignore this. We cannot draw FIBO. Of course, BATA, we can always look for a reversal sign in terms of BATA, where you can draw, but once you can get a reversal signal, then only you can draw. Dabur is waiting for reversal, and now this could be a good one for a reversal retracement. Now, if tomorrow market is on negative zone, we can expect this to have a beautiful. The FIBO will get valid once the low gets broken. Then we can expect 38.2, 61.8, and 100% retracement zone. Easy downfall can be expected. And today the option chain was completely bearish, right? Today option chain was completely bearish. That's the reason I was more inclined towards trading on put option today instead of buying option. So, but let me show. Morning it was quite bullish. Morning this was around 30 lakhs put option and 19 lakhs call option where the market went up. By closing hours, this has become 24 lakh. This has become 22 lakh, almost closer to equal. Tomorrow is the expiry on index. And if you could see on the near spot, okay, on the near spot, we have got 1.6 lakh, 1.18 lakh, 1.76 lakh, 1.38 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lakhs of put call writing is happening when compared to 1, 2, this is 1.2 lakh, 2.6, 3.64 lakh. So 4 lakh versus 7 lakhs, 4 lakh versus 6 lakhs, huge amount of call writing happening. In accordance with call writing, we also have a put unwind call. We also have call writing happening over here. So it's a heavy call writing happening versus put are closing their position, which is indirectly tells market it's towards downside, which is expected to go down. And on the charts also, we have Nifty making an it is more of a lit. If the closing would have been happened here, it was a dark cloud cover pattern, right? Dark cloud cover pattern. But nevertheless, if tomorrow 22,600 gets broken, we can expect a one more round of a beautiful correction in terms of indexes concerned. So this is what the fIBO is, and we can expect first cut zone as 22,364, 22,114, 21,710. We may not have such a big fall, but if at least we can expect these two levels to get honored shortly, and this is the place we can look for again retracement for a new high. Keeping this in radar, I have taken a put option today, just 5 lot for next week expiry, not this week expiry. I don't trade on index options. Entire last year I didn't even touch. Maybe hardly 1 or 2 days I traded, but this year I'm doing daily. I'm doing scalping. Daily I'm doing scalping. Constantly I'm able to make between 5 to 15,000 rupees profit. Yesterday was only one day I made some 2-3K loss on index options. Just from last Monday till this Tuesday, I'm in profit. Between today also I made 6.5K only because I'm strictly following this indicator, which I've just explained, which is Phoenix indicator, which is SP indicator, where we are expecting this to give a very beautiful results in the coming days. Okay. Questions, over to questions, over to questions. If there's no questions, we can even wind off. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Ask all your questions, whatever you may have in terms of swing trading is concerned. fIBO shall be used only on spot chart. Yes. fIBO have to be used on spot charts. Next question. Looks like nobody has any questions of fIBO. Please guys ask questions. Okay, let me upload the video. Yes, fIBO is an independent tool which is not to be clubbed with any other indicator. Okay. This class is doubts clarification on fIBO. I'll wait for the entire 1 hour. I don't mind. People should ask all the questions, whatever you may have on fIBO. Later, you should not be having any questions in terms of fIBO. But yes, yeah, learning is never gets completed stock Phoenix. It's ongoing learning. Now, how many of you guys want to have an access to this indicator, which has been designed by StockFinex? How many of you want to guys want to have an access? Right, I'm showing you the live performance. Now also I can show a couple of live performance where you can able to catch, because it is designed for scalping. We mainly use it on 5 minutes time frame. See, it gives you. Now, what exactly it gives? It tells you in nutshell, this is a long signal you're supposed to go. If you miss this long signal, you can take on this retracement signal. You can still further take on this one more retracement signal. You can still take on this retracement signal. It is as long as it, see, instead of green candles, if it comes this blue candles, that is volumes are coming in, stock is expected to go up. So and the masters also gave SBI card. Just plot this chart and ride it till you get this sell signal and book profits when the sell signal get generated. It makes your life simpler. It makes you very easy. It gives you enough amount of room to hold your position for a longer period. Look at that. With Vedanta as bias come here, and one more. This angle is retracement, which means that if you miss buying here, you can one more buy, and it goes on. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned. I will not ask any questions. Okay, I'll not answer any questions, whatever you guys ask in terms of indicator, because it is clearly mentioned when the indicator would be given. Is this not having enough information, guys? Is this not having enough information that when it will be given? Why everybody come and ask, when will I get, when will I get, when will I get? And this would be given to only those who have an active demat account with us. If your active demat account is not there with us, indicator will not be given. Don't repent later. So that's why we clearly said you'll have a lot of benefits if you have a demat account with us. Not one, not just whatever we implement new things, it will be only for them. It will be not given for you, even though if you pay 10,000 rupees, we don't want your money. Okay, so it's purely coming from a different vendor. And not only this, we're also having one more option also we're coming into it, we're bringing into it, which with something like, let me show you, right? Something like it gives you a, how do I show that? Okay, it gives you the probability of candle formation. The 67% probability this candle will end up in red color. This information also we're trying to bring in so that you'll have a better clarity or better idea whether to stay in this trend or not. The probability of this candle, for example, if you could see here, see, probability of it's becoming in green color is 32%, red is this. So it gives you a probability of, see, how long this candle is going to become a green, and it just gives a kind of a probability so that just indication. System feels that this candle will get closed in green color 65% and red color 32%. Like this, it goes on, it works on live market. It will be good for you that to take a decision whether to sustain the trend or not. This was a beautiful sell signal. Not only this, we're adding some more indicators to make it robust so that number of signals get generated will get reduced, and you will have a clear trend direction what to do. So again, we will give a training specially for those who are going to this indicator. But in a nutshell, stock selection have to be on daily time frame with daily time frame with the proper SP method of stock selection. Then on the reversal, convert into 5 minutes time frame and use it. But index scalping can be used on regular basis on the scalping. Now this probability of candle becoming red is 67%. Tomorrow I'm expecting a gap down. I'm not sure what is the current market is showing. Is it gap down or gap up? Okay, it's positive 20 points. But anyway, I'm holding a, I think 5 lot of put option with the premium of 30 rupees premium. Okay, minus 40. Okay, that's good. It is very clear this indicator would be given to all those who having a demat account, not demat account, active demat account with Stock Phoenix referral. Simple. This will be given for these all students. We have announced long time back, and you have a complete next 1 month of time. You can open now and you can use it. Use it for once it is indicator is launched. Again, this indicator coming from a third party vendor. So we have to. We never charged for anything till SP till the last 6.5 years for SP students, but this indicator is coming from a third party person. We don't have too much of control on it, and we have to believe, we have to go with the terms and conditions of them only. Okay, next question. One minute, guys. Just me put this link so that everyone can watch the today's performance. Okay, done. 9. Okay, regarding my 10 lakh to 1 crore challenge, there was no positions were made today as well. I'm just sitting with 0 positions. No, 0 positions. I don't think even tomorrow we might get an entry because most of stocks are not in a buy range. And no intraday as well, no portfolio. Everything 0. I'm holding with 100% cash. If this fall continues tomorrow on daily time frame, we can expect a beautiful downside of the fall. When the fall happens, retracement, 1 minute on this. Let me move the bar color. And if this fall continues, we're going to have a beautiful downtrend so that we should be able to catch on a reversal. Any scanner or app or find reversal candles? No, you have to scan manually. Can we use this indicator on mobile platform? Yes, whatever videos I've shown you, I've just posted one video. Look at here. This was used on mobile. More importantly, it works even on free platform, free TradingView platform. It even works on that. So you can make use of it for your intraday purpose, right? So it beautifully one retracement signal. I showed you live over here. This is how the signals will come on a live market. These are the candles will get formation in live market. When the alerts get generated, you can see how quickly alerts can generate sets and how easily you can able to catch the trend without much difficulty. So at least if you can catch this sell signal, when the sell signal, see, the candle was green, candle is green, but still sell signal got generated. Even though the candle was green, sell was generated, and later it starts fall. And falls, it falls, goes for mode of a consolidation. So you have ample 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles are there to make an entry peacefully. The fall happens after that, and one more retracement sell. Even though if you miss the sell signal, you can go for retracement sell and catch this position, and it goes on, it goes on, it goes on, and it goes on. So you can short futures, or you can take put option and ride this trend peacefully for the till you get a L signal on the downside. So I'm not trading with big capital. I'm investing only 15,000 rupees in account, where I take for 50 rupees strike price with 5 lots, 250 quantity with 5 points of returns, which is 1,250 rupees. Even though 250 goes for a brokerage, taxes, income tax and all, I'll be able to make 1,000 rupees in one trade. I just do 5 trades in a day. It is 5,000 rupees, far sufficient for it. Invest 15,000 rupees. 5K is far sufficient. This is how I am doing a testing since last 1 week. It is being successful, and I'm anticipating testing will go for successful in the upcoming days as well. So the day when we launch the indicator, when we give it to the indicator, please have one demat, please have TradingView account readily available, and you can start implementing from day one when we give for all of you guys. Okay, next question. Let me just post this message for everyone. No questions? Okay, I have a doubt about volume candle. No, I don't follow volume candles. What is the doubt anyway? What is the doubt anyway? What is red and green signifies? Red is selling, green is buying. Simple. What is doubt in that? The width of the candle donates. Red is price is falling, green is price is going up. The width of the volume indicates the amount of buying and selling happening in the stock. It just gives you the width. Rest everything remains same. There's no special no special inferences for the red and green color. Do we get indicator and benefits if I'm NRI account? NRI account doesn't matter, sir. We give for all our students. Only thing is have one demat account, be it NRI or NRE. Have one demat account under our referral with any broker whichever you feel comfortable. You can have it in Zerodha, you can have it in Fires, you can have it in Upstart, you can have it in Angel, you can have it in Allies Blue. It's up to you whichever platform you need it. Just have one intraday. If you want this indicator, you are good. You are expecting to do intraday trades, and if you are doing intraday trades, we expect you to trade in our company, in your account open under our referral, so that you get this benefit. How many of you are starting 10 lakh 1 crore challenge with me? How many of you guys are starting 1 crore challenge with me? Wow, it's a pretty big number. Yes. Now your training is completed. From this month onwards, start doing a paper trading for a month. Start doing a paper trading for a month. Then invest with from 5,000 rupees and start buying one share, two share, three shares, and five shares. Then later on, start getting increase the capital and watch my 10 lakh to 1 crore video along with the mode of stock selection video and use it that wisely. Okay, it's easy. I'm making a lot of profits out of this, and let's use it, guys. Okay, next question. Planning a 50 lakh, 50 lakh, 50K to 5 lakh, it's your wish, sir. Okay, and then next is how does indicator perform during a range bound or sideways market? Okay, so now we are having in one more indicator for this, where we're going to have a median line coming out of this. That median line is already available. We're doing the testing out of it, so any indicator will definitely will not work on a doesn't work on a sideways market. Okay, if the market is, see, usually sell signal number of signals comes very less only, but when there's a complete choppy market like this, when complete choppy market like this, when there's a too much of sell signals or buy signal comes, why should we trade in market? Avoid trading for the particular day. When a one indicator a one indicator, one buy, one sell, one buy, one sell, one buy, one sell, which comes you back to back. When when any buy and sell signal comes back to back, then all you have to do is ignore trading for that day. Now, to get that kind of information, what we have done is we have added a numbering system in every signal. So what does it mean? It means that this signal is getting generated within 8 candles, within 8 candles, within 14 candles, within 13 candles, within 6 candle, one more signal, within 4 candle, one more signal, within 3 candle, one more signal. So if you're getting these numbers, you have to avoid trading for the day. So moment you get one signal here, one more comes back to back, just close terminal. That day, one stop loss at it, you are not supposed to trade for the rest of the day. At the same time, when the candle signal comes like 20 candles, 25 candles, 30 candles, 34 candles, these signals should not be missed out. 18 candle signal, we got a good move, right? 36 candles. So which means that this signal is coming after 36 candles from the previous signal, which means that we should not be missing out this signal. That is where it has fallen. Now already we have passed many candles. The next signal also would be a longer duration. So we should not be missing out that signal. So we are trying to define lot of rules and regulations because indicators are many available in market, but still why people are losing money. So we want to have an indicator with a proper explanation of proper rules and regulations. That is where we are trying to bring a change. So be part of it. All we need is 4-5,000 rupees on intraday, which can be easily fetched using this indicator. Do we have a lecture on strangle and straddle? Yes, it should be have been done already.